So yeah, if you try to like pick it up, it starts falling off. There's no switch to dim anything. There's no switch to manually turn it on and off. You have to plug it and unplug it. I think for 30 bucks, I mean, that's pretty reasonable to ask. And I wish there was like more than just plastic literally sliding to each other. Not even plastic like this, like sliding to each other just to hold it. When you pick it up, like it starts falling apart. That's not something you want. I mean, if I paid $5 for it, I would be pretty happy with what I got. But 30 bucks, like, not my type. There it is, guys. Oh. I need to stop drinking and doing this. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my room and to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit subscribe button. I do honest reviews on major shopping platforms like Amazon and Sephora for ladies and other places like Shoppers, Canadian Tire. These are Canadian based, basically big branch markets. I buy their products, I give honest reviews about them, and I do not get paid for them. So please go ahead and hit subscribe button, like, and comment my videos if you want to see more honest videos and honest reviews about products. I do not get paid to do them. So let's go ahead and talk about what we're going to do in this video. I just got this beauty in the mail and I'm waiting for this not that long. I ordered this maybe about a week ago and it's already at my doorstep. So I'm really excited. Let's do a little bit unbox therapy. So this is LED Portable Photo Studio. Two LEDs included. So it is a little LED box. And it has 6 color backdrops: black, white, orange, blue, red, and green. And yeah, I hope it's not shit quality. I really hope. Because I really want this to I want to have this set up in my room. So I can, nice. They have like a little card. It says, have any trouble with our product? We can help you. No need to return to the store, well, or Amazon. They have customer service center on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail. I lost the other part. And basically it has instructions. I think it's pretty easy to follow. Made in China. No, ooh, it has a little bag. It has like a little Ziploc bag. That's nice. It's pretty good if you're. I'm not planning on taking this anywhere. I just want to. Ooh, colors! I see colors. Oh, we have blue, white, red, yellow, black, and green. Didn't it say it has orange also? Where is the thing? It said, I swear to God, where did it say it? Okay, so I guess their yellow is their orange. Because it says orange here, but it doesn't say yellow. So I think the yellow is their orange, or they ran out of oranges and they put yellow. I don't know. Okay, these are like your kindergarten cloth, basically, material. I don't know how they're gonna look in pictures, but I think they're good. We have a USB port. We have USB, but it has 2 wires that are like this. I think they're like C type. I'm not sure. They have like a flat edge and then the rest is like round. I'm not sure what these are called, but But it doesn't have like a switch to like turn it on, because I want this to be like a stable on in my studio basically room. This doesn't have that, so I don't know. Let's look at the product itself. The bag is nice. The bag is the same quality as the rest of that, so if you ever run out of these or they're like damaged somehow, you can use the bag you came in because it's the same material. Ooh, okay. So it goes like this. It has like LED strips on top. And I guess this is the top. You can pop and like put your camera in there. Let's set it up. It has the logo in the back, which is kind of like see-through from here. You can't see it, but it is see-through. Let's set it up. I wonder how much I bought this for. I don't remember how much I buy things. This is not a good habit I have. I just add stuff to the cart, and then every now and then I just go and like, okay, buy everything. That's why my room literally is full of stuff that I bought from Amazon that I either use or I don't use, so I don't know. Okay, so I've been trying to like put this little thing together this whole time. I was trying to talk to you guys, and it's like really easy to come out, so it's like there's nothing to really like hold it or lock it together. It's like, okay, it's locked now. I think you just have to like really push it. I think you just have to like really push it together. Let's do this one too. Okay, and now, okay, finished product is right here. The strips are at the front and at the back. It has a lot of hole. I think if you're not planning on taking it anywhere like I am, I guess you could just like either super glue or just like tape them up here. And let's try and put on like one of the backdrops in, because I see it has little holes here that go into these. So let's try put it on. And I didn't even see how to like connect the. Yeah, the holes are not completely aligned with the. Okay. Final product. You could do this. And I think I see the holes, the LED connection. They're here. They're very flimsy. They literally looked glued on. Like if I tried to like do this in a wrong way, it might easily break, and I have like a garbage piece of plastic. First of all, let's see how much this cost. This is portable mini studio light box, and it was $29.89 Canadian dollars. Doesn't have a switch, like you have to manually plug it in and plug it out in order to turn it on and off. So I don't want to electrocute myself, so I'm going to plug it on this side. See, very flimsy. Honestly, it's not worth 30 bucks. It's worth maybe like 10 bucks. I don't know why it's 30 bucks. I wish it was better for 30, but it is what it is. And that is what you get with Amazon. So I'm plugging it in, and it's like really like sticking out. Like it doesn't give you like a feeling that's in all the way, but I guess It is in all the way. I don't know, I think so. Now let's plug it in. And I'm going to try to take a picture of my watch. And if you haven't seen the review of this wristband yet, go ahead and see it. I really like this. This was only $15. I got it off of Amazon. The video should be in the playlist. Go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to try to take a picture with my iPhone 11 Pro S, I think. And that's not bad. Yeah, the lighting is actually pretty nice. I think I'm going to change the back sheet to, like, as soon as you pick it up, like, it starts, like, falling apart. Everything, like, I wish there was a little bit more than just plastic sliding off of plastic as fucking resistant. I'm going to try the white one and see how it is. So, yeah, if you try to, like, pick it up, it starts falling off. There's no switch to dim anything. There's no switch to manually turn it on and off. You have to unplug it and unplug it. I think for $30, I mean, that's pretty reasonable to ask. And I wish there was, like, more than just plastic literally sliding to each other. Not even plastic like this, like sliding to each other just to hold it. When you pick it up, like, it starts falling apart. That's not something that you want. I mean, if I paid $5 for it, I would be pretty happy with what I got. But $30, like, not my type. And the pictures doesn't look bad. The LED strips are pretty hot. I mean, I don't think you can really, like, leave this on for a while. Like, go and do other stuff and come back to it. This might melt the plastic and burn your place down. I hope not, but don't do that. I don't like... It's been on for less than 5 minutes and, like, it's already hard to touch on top of the plastic. So I'm here, like, taking a picture of my Apple Watch, and they don't look bad. They do have these sides. The sides are cut, so you do have a large angle of things. But the LED strips, like, they're hot here if you touch them. They're hot. And this flap, I think, after a little while, like, after opening and closing it, this is gonna, like, break up and you have, like, a hole here. So, I don't know how good that is. And also, this fabric right here, let me unplug it so you guys can see. This fabric here, it's very close to the LED light. And the LED lights, they have no covers on top of them. They're, like, right there. So I don't know if this is gonna, like, catch on fire if I keep it on for a while. I mean, in overall, it serves the purpose. Overall, it serves its purpose, but I don't know if this is what you really want to get. I'm going to try to take a video of my glycolic acid. This is one of my next videos coming out. I did a 7 test on this. So if you guys haven't checked it out, go ahead and check it out. I'm going to try to take a video. Just so I have it for my... And we're going to try to take a video of caffeine solution 15%. I also did a 7-day test on this one also. So go ahead and check it out on my video if you are interested. So Yeah, if you use flash, it's not that bad. It's pretty good. You get your own picture of anything, which is exactly what I wanted it for. So yeah, there it is, guys. The little light box that I have that was not worth $30 almost. Ooh, they're hot. These are hot. Very flimsy. Look at it. Just fell apart. Like, at least if there was like a lock here, something that this didn't fall apart as much, I would be very, very happy. And also if there was a dimmable or a light switch or something, but it's not, so I'm not happy with the product I got. And look at this. Very flimsy. Polas didn't impress me. You can try better. I accept your improvement. But as of right now, this is not good. Not acceptable for 30 fucking bucks. Do better, man. It's not that hard. It's a piece of plastic. You put a switch on it. You can try to dim it. Like, I get like face products that are less than 30 bucks. Or even makeup that is less than 30 bucks. And that's like chemical-y stuff. This is just a piece of plastic with 2 LED strips on it and a bunch of like fabrics. So there it is, guys. Go ahead and if this is good enough for you, go ahead and order yours. If not, take my word, it's too flimsy, maybe try another one, let me know. Or if there's one that you wanted to try for a while, let me know. I can try it for you. And you can just like my videos, subscribe to it, anything you want. So this was my Pulis Photography Light Box review from Amazon for 30 bucks. Please let me know if you enjoyed this video, if you learned anything from it. If not, just let me know what you wish to see or what you would like me to do a review on next, and I will be very happy to answer your questions. So have a wonderful day, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe because I do not get paid and that's the only way you can support me. Have a wonderful day. Bye.